Hey everyone, tech fans were delighted by the introduction of Asus's newest gaming hardware innovation, the ROG NUC Small Gaming PC, back at CES 2024. Now available in European shops, this small but mighty gaming device promises an amazing gaming experience, thanks to its state-of-the-art features and stylish appearance. The Asus ROG NUC is a mini PC that packs a punch with its impressive hardware. It is powered by either an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor or the more formidable Core Ultra 9 185H processor, providing the performance needed for demanding tasks and immersive gaming sessions. Paired with NVIDIA RTX 4060 or RTX 4070 graphics options, the ROG NUC can support up to 4 4K screens simultaneously, delivering stunning visuals and an unparalleled gaming experience. One of the standout features of the ROG NUC is its compact and user-friendly appearance. With dimensions of just 270 by 180 by 50 mm, this mini PC can easily fit into any gaming setup without taking up much space. The tool-free appearance ensures quick and hassle-free setup, allowing users to dive straight into their gaming adventures. In addition to its powerful hardware, the ROG NUC is developed to enhance the gaming experience further. It is compatible with the ROG Raikiri Pro controller, offering seamless integration for a more immersive gameplay experience. Users can also customize the lighting effects of the ROG NUC through the ROG Armory Crate app, adding a personalized touch to their gaming setup. When it comes to connectivity, the ROG NUC doesn't disappoint. It features HDMI 2.1a, DisplayPort 1.4, Thunderbolt 4 and USB 4 Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 2, USB 2.0, and Intel Kilo Wi-Fi 6EAX1690i, ensuring high-speed data transfer and stable network connections for online gaming. Moreover, users have the flexibility to choose between running Windows 11 or various Linux systems, catering to different preferences and needs. Among these options, ProShop, a reputable online retailer, has listed the top-tier model of the ROG NUC with impressive specifications. With 32 gigs of RAM and a large 1 TB storage capacity, this high-end model ensures seamless multitasking and plenty of room for games, apps, and multimedia files. This top-of-the-line ROG NUC model, which retails for €2,499 in the Eurozone, has cutting-edge technology and performance capabilities, making it an ideal gaming experience. All things considered, the Asus ROG NUC Mini Gaming PC is a formidable machine in a small package, with outstanding performance, cutting-edge features, and customizable choices to satisfy the demands of both serious gamers and tech aficionados. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.